This is what you actually sound like on Zoom calls. Listen to this.
Can I actually remove background noise in real time?
That is what your team hears. Now watch this.
Watch this. Try Krisp AI free for 7 days. Link in description.
Same room. Same mic. But now with Krisp AI noise cancellation. One click. That is all it takes. Try Krisp AI free for 7 days. Link in description. Subscribe. I drop an AI tool every single week.